Going for a test drive in the 79. I love this car. It feels so like Burt Reynolds in this. Clutch feels good. Exhaust sounds good. We're gonna get on it a little bit, not too much, not too crazy. Shifts good, all the gears, holds the road super straight. Definitely nice car, guys. T-tops are great to have. Not only does it have T-tops, but it's got AC, and that's a great thing about this car. It's a real good survivor. If you're looking for a Trans Am that checks all the boxes, this is it. Power steering, power brake car, AC car, power windows, all original paint, matching numbers, documented car. And the car drives great. Holds the road great, doesn't overheat. Stops great. Everything works the way it should. Take it up on this bridge right here. Every time I'm in Florida at our property, we come here a couple times a year. I take this out. It's a cool car I kick around with. It's an original car, that's why I like it. And Burt Reynolds was from the area, so we're in the Treasure Coast right now, and that's kind of where he's from. That's why I like having it here. But every good thing comes to an end. You know, we're going to liquidate our property most likely, and the car is going to go. I don't think I'm going to take it back with me to PA. Time for somebody else to enjoy it. Right now I'm going 65 with no issue. Look at this. That's going perfect. Guys, up for sale. It's not on our website. It won't be on our website. If you're interested, give me a call directly. Ask me about the original Trans Am, and I will let you know if it's available.